Today is the day we pack. We are leaving, me, James, and our 10-month-old shepherd. Tomorrow, we're getting in our truck camper and we're heading out west for the rest of the summer. And we have not packed anything, like nothing. So we've definitely procrastinated to the point where we cannot procrastinate any longer. Like, we literally have to pack. If we're gonna leave tomorrow, we have to pack today. I pack best with a list, so let's make a list. So, what do we need? Packing for 2 adults for a long period of time in a truck camper is hard enough, but packing for a 10-month-old in a truck camper for any amount of time is like overwhelming. Babies need so much stuff. They need diapers, wipes, pajamas, outfits. He needs a hat. He might need his sunglasses. They need utensils, bowl, cup, plate, high chair, playpen, medicine. It just, so much stuff. So I find it most helpful to write things down, check things off a list. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay. I just always think like I might need this one thing. I usually never do, but I'd rather bring it and have it than not bring it and need it. How many outfits can I bring?
You need to pack about 5 outfits that can be interchangeable.
We have these cool little packing cubes to help with packing. Now I have to figure out how to pack my packing cubes. What goes in what. I'm very impressed with my packing skills for Shepherd. This is his little cube. He's got like 5 or 6 outfits in here, some shorts, 3 or 4 sleepers, swimsuit, and then a hat. And all of his clothing items are in one little cube for 6 weeks. All right, ready to go. Hey. You say bye-bye. Mwah.
Okay, we're actually leaving now.
Yo. I know that you. Now let me continue the setup. Really, I just need to get the AC set up, and then we can just get in. Which we don't have to get in for good. Before while I light.
Hey, Daddy. Did you have a good dinner?
We're on day 2 of traveling. It's pretty uneventful. We are doing like 4 to 6 hour travel days. Yesterday we made it to Arkansas. Today we're in Oklahoma and we're gonna make it to New Mexico. And then Monday, tomorrow, we'll make it to Colorado. It's just a lot of riding in the car, getting to a campground, going to bed, getting up, and doing the same thing.
Say hey, Shepherd.
I'll just turn it on.
We are in somewhere in New Mexico and headed to Pagosa Springs from here. Just have to finish loading up, and we have a bit of a travel day coming up, and then we'll officially be in Colorado. So that'll be cool. See you there. A lot of footage driving back and forth to make the video more interesting. I can't see it at all.
Hang on, go back. Turn it to you just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, Shepherd, look! Shepherd, look! Okay.
Should have it. We are leaving Pagosa Springs. We've had a really great stay at our friend's beautiful house.
Beautiful house.
In the mountains of Pagosa. San Juan National Forest, it's beautiful. Property's beautiful, the views are beautiful. It's been a good respite from the road to get repacked and reorganized and everything cleaned.
Yeah. And just to like rest and hang out for a little bit.
Yeah, just relax.
we
Shepherd
leave.
gets got plenty of good naps.
Yep.
Now we're going to head to Telluride or Ouray. We're not sure yet. Somewhere just following the Rocky Mountains all the way to Wyoming. Tune in for the next one. See you.
That's perfect.
Cool.
Okay, Shepherd.